Good morning, children. Welcome to Chapter 8, Fractions, Part 2. In this video, we are going to learn more about few more different types of fractions, in detail about what is numerator and denominator, and also we are going to learn how to shade and find out the fraction of shaded parts. Now let's see some more different types of fractions. If you can see, the orange is cut into half. So each part is 1/2 fraction. That is, each piece of the orange is 1/2. So 1 represents the orange and 2 represents the number of parts it is cut into. The lemon has been cut into 4 equal parts. So each part of the lemon is 1/4 fraction. The pineapple has been cut into 8 equal parts. Thus, each piece of the pineapple is a fraction of 1/8. That is, one piece out of 8 equal parts. The apple has been cut into 3 equal portions. So we say each piece is 1/3 or 1/3. The watermelon has been cut into 6 equal parts. So each piece is 1/6 of the fraction. The pumpkin has been cut into 12 equal parts. So each part or each piece of the pumpkin is 1/12. That is, one piece of 12 equal parts. Now let's see how to write the fractions in words. 3/5 is the first fraction here. So we simply read it as 3/5. 3-fifths. The second number or the denominator is represented in the plural form, whereas the numerator is represented as singular. So 7/8 is read as 7/8. 2/3 is represented as 2/3. 3/6 is read as 3/6. 4/7 represents 4/7, and 6/6 is read as 6/6. So, while writing in words, the numerator is written as a simple number name, whereas the denominator is represented as ordinal name with plural form. Now let's learn more about the numerator and the denominator. The top part of the fraction is called as the numerator, while the bottom part of the fraction is called as the denominator. The numerator and the denominator are separated by a line which is called as the fraction bar. The numerator represents the number of shaded portions, whereas the denominator represents the number of equal parts the whole is cut into. Now let us see how to find out the fraction of the shaded portion. The circle has been cut into 4 equal parts and 2 of them have been shaded. So we read the fraction as number of shaded portion upon the number of parts the circle has been cut into. So what is the fraction here? 2/4 is the fraction. Look at the star. The star has been cut into 5 equal parts, of which 2 has been shaded. So we say the fraction as 2/5. The rectangle has been cut into 3 equal parts, of which 1 part is being shaded as blue. So can you tell me what is the fraction of the shaded region? The fraction is 1/3. The hexagon has been cut into 4 equal parts, of which 1 has been shaded green. Can you tell me what is the fraction of green color? The fraction of green color would be 1/4. Similarly, the rectangle has been cut into 10 equal parts, of which 2 have been shaded purple. So what is the shaded or what is the fraction of the purple region? it is 2 by tens. The circle has been now cut into 10 equal parts, of which 3 have been shaded green. Can you tell me what is the fraction of the shaded portion? The fraction of the shaded portion is 3 by eighths. The hexagon has been cut into 2 equal parts, of which one part is being shaded red. And the fraction of the shaded portion is 1 by 2 or half. We also called 1 by 2 as half. The star has been cut into 5 equal parts, of which 4 has been shaded. So here we represent the fraction as 4 by fifths. Now similarly, you can also shade the given pictures if you have been given a fraction. For example, if you have been given a fraction of 2 by 4 and a picture of a circle that has been cut into 4 equal parts, how will you shade it? You will simply shade 2 pieces of the circle, because out of the 4 parts they have asked you to shade just 2 portions. Now let us play a game. Shall we find out the shaded portion fraction? The circle has been cut into 2 equal parts. So can you guess what the fraction is? Is it half, 2 by 3 or 2 by 4? Obviously it is 1 by 2, because one portion has been shaded of the 2 equal parts that it has been cut into. The square has been cut into 4 equal parts, of which 3 has been shaded. So we say the fraction is 3 by 4. The rectangle has been cut into 4 equal parts, of which 2 have been shaded. So we say the fraction of the blue color is 2 by 4. Thank you, children.